Hi guys, in the previous video we've learned about sequence and timeline, and in this video we will be learning about the selection and track selection tools. So let's get started. Alright, now this is your toolbar. So if you look into the toolbar here, you can see by default selection tool is selected. Now selection tool is used to select your video clip or audio clip, and you can also drag your mouse to select and move multiple footages and audios. Now most of you need to add something in the middle of the clip, which can be your image file or anything else. So to do that, we use the selection tool to drag and move our specific files to add those things very easily. So another important feature of the selection tool is that if you look closely in my timeline, then you can see my cursor has changed. This allows us to trim our video very easily as per our needs. Similarly, we can extend our video to our video's full length too. And another basic use of our selection tool is that you can easily change your files track. Here you can see we have 3 videos and 3 audio tracks. It helps us to change our track just by dragging up and down. Now these tracks are not limited for 3 only. You can add more tracks if you need them. It's pretty easy to add more tracks, and definitely I will teach you that in future videos. Now moving on to our next tool, which is track select forward and track select backward tool. Now if I click on track select forward tool, then here you can see our cursor changes into 2 arrows. And if you look here, whenever I click on my timeline, then you can see from that specific location all files are now selected. Now it allows us to move our files very easily without leaving a single file on our timeline. But if you think you can also do the same thing by using the selection tool, then if you are working on huge files, then there is a probability that you may miss your small files. So to avoid those mistakes, we use the track selection tool. And sometimes you don't want to select your multiple tracks, so in that case you can simply press the shift key on your keyboard and select the track that you want to move and just drag your files just like this. Now sometimes you might notice while moving our files, you can see one audio is also moving along with our video clips. That's because this audio is linked with our video. So to unlink our audio, just right click on that and select unlink, just simple as that. Now here you can see another option, which is track selection backward tool, which is just similar to the track selection forward tool. The difference is only that now it will select our files and footages from backward. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys have learned something, and if you like our videos, then do consider subscribing to this channel. And my name is Ari, and this is Tricky for you, and I'll catch you in the next one.